Welcome to Minute Monday. I'm Logan, a writer and marketer with Cohlab. If you're struggling to come up with content for your social media profiles, blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok, I guess, you should think about batching. Batching is just like it sounds. Instead of cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day, you carve out some time on Saturday and Sunday and cook for the whole week. It may not look like it because I keep switching clothes and moving things around in the background, but I script and record between 2 and 10 of these videos at a time, depending on how creative I'm feeling. The same goes for social media posts. Building a spreadsheet or a calendar, or using a tool like Cohlab Sales Automation or Hootsuite can allow you to plan way in advance and even schedule posts far ahead of time. This lets you work when the mood strikes rather than slogging through when you're having a bad day but you need to get a post out there. So try batching and try meal prepping. It really made a difference in my family's evening.